Amazing benefits of fasting. Do you know, people really concerned about their health fast regularly? But why? Maybe because they want to lose weight. Well, that's one aspect of it, but what about people who don't need to lose weight? They might want to remain fit and healthy. Yes, that's another reason for it. Well, fasting has got numerous health benefits and is not limited to these two reasons. The surprising fact is that despite having many advantages, people don't look at it as a good health practice. Hello everyone, welcome back to Think Good, the place where health is wealth. If you know that fasting is good for our health or are looking for a personalized reason, then the benefits we will discuss now would surely help you. Please subscribe to Think Good and tap the bell icon for regular Think Good updates. Number 1. Helps in fighting inflammation. Inflammation in some cases could be because of the process involved in the recovery of many diseases. However, in some cases, it could be because of some severe illness. Now, if it's because of chronic disease, then it should be treated immediately. Fasting can help you treat that. There are a lot of ways in which you can fast. The first one is the traditional method, where you fast for 12 hours. Another one is intermittent fasting. Apart from these two, some people follow a low-calorie diet to mimic fasting. All these methods have proven results of lowering down the inflammation markers. Number 2. Aids to weight loss. Now, this is the most practical benefit of fasting. If you're someone who is wanting to lose weight, fasting could help you. However, if you suddenly leave certain kinds of foods and start cutting down many calories from your diet, you will lose weight for sure, but gain it again quickly. So fasting could hit on your metabolism in a very different way. So if fasting for you just has one purpose and weight loss, you should do it slowly. Fasting for a day and a week could be good, but you should check on the diet you're having. If fasting is done correctly, it could help in the reduction of weight by up to 9%. A significant difference could be seen in 12 to 24 weeks. Above all, intermittent fasting can give you the best results if we talk in the context of weight loss. Now, this happens because you have a restricted calorie diet for a long time. Number 3. Controls blood sugar. Every third person nowadays has diabetes, and if not, they have a fear of having it. For those who don't know about it, an increase in the blood sugar level is the foremost reason behind diabetes. Fasting can help you control that. Insulin resistance is another important thing. So one way you can do it is by restricting your calories, and the other way is fasting. Intermittent fasting or fasting on every alternate day is as good as having a restricted calorie diet. Insulin resistance makes your body sensitive to insulin intake, which means it finally allows your body to pump glucose. It is essential, especially for people having diabetes. One of the most important things that we need to keep in our mind in fasting and diabetes is that it could have different results on men and women. Number 4. Improves blood pressure and heart health. One of the leading reasons for death across the globe is the unhealthy heart. All you can do to have a healthy heart is a healthy diet, so keep a check on the things that you're eating. Apart from that, you can incorporate fasting into your daily routine. One of the primary reasons for an unhealthy heart is terrible cholesterol levels. It's been seen through a study that alternate day fasting for a month has reduced cholesterol levels by 25%. Along with that, it's also been seen that fasting done under medical supervision has miraculous results. Fasting has numerous benefits. The ones stated just now are some of them. In a nutshell, we can say that incorporating fasting into your routine can change your life upside down. This should be there in our routine, our habit. The reasons stated here are enough to inspire you for this. So when did you fast last time? Please drop your comment and share your experience. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Thanks for watching this video till the end.